Hi guys, I welcome back to another new video, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to create classic Sonic. Do you like Sonic? Like and subscribe onto the video to you be classic Sonic. But first you need that shoes, and now you need backpack, head Sonic, eyes this. Now color. Check this color. Now wait, I got the wrong color. Oh fuck you. Oh fuck you, game. Okay, I did it. Now get the white color. And now no. Yes. Now cover this. This. Cover the eyes. Okay, so the beginning day. Cover the eyes, Sonic eyes with this color. Now get this blue. Now make classic Sonic blue. I do this blue for classic Sonic. And now okay, now muzzle. Wait. No, wait. I did it. A new blue. Cover the muzzle, belly, now ears. Okay. Now it. Oh god. Now. Guys. Now select this. And now choose this color. Wait, I'm gonna make a new color for classic Sonic. This color. Okay. Now shoes. I'm gonna do this classic Sonic have this shoes color. Now wait. Now we're gonna make a fur for classic Sonic. Okay, guys, you are ready for the surprise? Okay. Okay, guys. Now, animations. How should I get the name? Wait. C. Sonic. The kid from past. Okay, guys, I do a new name for Classic Sonic. And now, this. Okay. Animations. Wait, guys. Brazil, no. Yes. Confident. Elk. Gregory. Run. Classic. Now you make your Classic Sonic, guys. Oh, speed. Faster speed. Oh god. Oh my god, what the fuck? Sorry guys, that was cursing. Hey, whoa. Whoa. And now this is the Classic Sonic tutorial. Guys, thanks for watching and bye.